the 3-month Cool Smashers and the card charges on
Yan na. Matira.
Has 16, but like you said, it's been a team effort for free blind today. That's too tight now.
Ah!
Johnson did not waste the opportunity. Taking your chance.
Talo na yung, akari na yan.
Big lead, tumobo na ang kalaman.
Ay, sayang.
Break for Akari. Rare service error. Kapit-kapit Chumabaw. The team captain also has taken on quite a lot. And here's the other leader, the other team captain, Michelle Cobb. Also, we have to remember that they are going
Ooh!
from
Ay, akala ko.
the years here at the PBL. Played 7th the last time out. And
Yan na naman, nagpapahabol na naman. Parang kanina.
in second place.
Palo eh.
Small attention to those
Hindi
details.
pa na-block.
And it's been working, of course, the reinforced conference. They
Yan.
made it spotless so far.
Ay, sayang.
Going up
Yun!
there,
Nice block.
Ang tangkad dito.
on the third set, as she has scored 3 in a row. The net defense coming from Erica. Take a look at this.
Bakit kamal?
Ay,
Kamal.
haba.
Alongside
Ang haba eh.
having fun here with their chants. There was a lot of emotion from the get-go. But it's a lot of happy Greenline fans here. Ethan Akari still not out of it.
Yun.
But it's gonna take a lot of work.
Ah!
Looks like Randall
Ano ba
Saldana
yan?
up to it.
Sinasayang mo na naman trimline.
Not late. Not yet.
Unti na lang, baka mahabol pa
Earlier
kayo.
in the preview, she has
6 points
restored
lang.
her roar in this conference, and a healthy Sultana is what we love to see from her. Receive.
Ano eh? Na-block ba?
Out.
Coming from
Hindi, pasok. Na-block eh.
yes, activating.
Hand check yan eh.
Play.
Oo, tumama sa kamay.
Has been mastered in the years. Take a look at that. Kagaling, biglang nandun si Pons. Comes out of nowhere. Yes, this with the serve. Perfect pass by Ravenna.
Ah,
What
eh.
happened? We need more of those coming from
Sayang.
Victoria. We need more activating
Mahal
more
sa
involvement of the middle blockers. Take a look at this replay here. Not almost there, but
Ay, walang cover eh.
we also talk about the importance of the receiver.
Yun! Hihina naman ang follow. Sayang.
Messina.
Nako.
Oh, habol.
Great stretch there by the media to keep the ball in play.
Ala, pumasok!
Masok. Tapos na lang.
Pumasok!
Luck is on their side.
Pinabayaan na eh. Akala niya out eh.
Over ball. Just keeping the ball in play. That's going to be
Akala niya out eh.
another point. This is the court. Always side, flipping the line. Another point there for also. Messina. Doug. Joust won by Greenline. Got a chance here. Sawyer will go up. Use
Ay! Sayang.
And Akari. Ellie Sawyer is known to dig deep.
Sa
Ah, wala, hindi naglalaro siya, Eliza.
Play against the pressure.
Yun! Last two.
As they're not too emotional.
Akala nila di na
Last
papasok.
one na. Set point.
Last one na. Trimline. Mahalo na kayo.
Yeah.
For Greenline, it's their chance. Here, the crowd chants.
Swerte yan. Yan.
For the day. Could this be it? That goal out.
Tapos nahabol pa, no?
Outside.
But too many opportunities to miss.
Last point. Ayan na. Ayan na. Ayan na!
Ang saya ko.